Friends, come back and join me in a seat. Now, what have we learned today? Well, we learned that Namaste is the greeting that we use often in yoga, which means we are the same. We now understand that yoga is all about finding oneness or union within yourself. And we know that the breath is a powerful tool that can be used for meditation, our asana practice, or in our everyday lives. Now, there's so much more to learn about yoga and about yourself. If you're interested in learning more about yoga and the power that it unlocks within you, I definitely recommend you sign up for one of our beginner workshops. We're gonna offer you a nice discount, so be on the lookout in your email for that. But whatever you do, don't wait on taking the next right steps towards you becoming the best you that you can be, inside and out. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I do look forward to seeing you on the mat. Namaste.